Aloha and welcome to Mai's Table where you find God in gourmet. And welcome to the heart of my home, my kitchen. I'm Maile Andrus-Price and today I'm gonna make shortbread cookies. And this is part of my March madness because during the month of March, I saved $500 by just using up what I have. And I had some butter in the refrigerator that I bought on sale and it's like, yeah, it's about time I use this butter. And of course I had everything else on hand. So the recipe is, this makes a good amount of cookies. It's 1 full pound of butter, which I have in here and it's been softened. 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of real vanilla, and this is 5 cups of flour. So I'm gonna cream the butter and the sugar, and I'm going to add the eggs and the vanilla and cream that very well, and then I'm going to add the flour and cream that. So I'll show you what that looks like.